From the point of view of my theory, plasma is not an ionized gas. I'm sure that physical properties of plasma are not that of surfaces of gas molecules. However, originates from the matter that is the inner structure of particles. Official science claims that the plasma is of low temperature and ionized gas molecules which are formed during combustion or electric discharge, and plasma is high temperature, ionized atoms. Such plasma exists inside stars at temperature of stellar matter. Schools and universities teach that the star is a hot cluster of gases, but on surfaces of all singular entity of not broken atoms, the temperature of millions of degrees has never been observed. In nature, there are no physical processes with the temperature characteristics except for fission or fusion of atomic nuclei, and molecules do not exist at stellar temperatures at all. All ionized molecules and atoms, that is, particles with integrated electron clouds, molecules, do not have the properties of plasma. Hence, the ionized gas is not more than possessor, the support of open areas of the electronic spheres, those which exhibit some properties of that form of matter that comprises the electronic sphere of atom. The matter of inferior of particles appears on the surface of particles. If there is a gap of chemical bonds that is between the atomic electronic spheres while it separates from an atomic electron cloud. And it is clear that the particles cannot even be carriers of the properties of the star matter. It seems more than doubtful that atoms could exist at temperatures of millions of degrees. Thus, it becomes apparent ambiguity and uncertainty of the term plasma as a sort of fourth state of matter, as the term is actually part of the properties ascribed internal matter of particles, that is no common with surface characteristics of atoms and their associations, molecules. Therefore, eliminated the uncertainty that has arisen in science because of imperfections in the theory of atomic structure of Rutherford Bohr, I called a plasma form of matter that comprises the inner structure of particles, including atoms, its nuclei, and electronic sphere. Properties of high-temperature plasma, which elements appear with mass ejection stellar heat, and that modern physics for no reason wrongly attributed to ionized gas, in my opinion, nothing like intranuclear properties of matter existing in the nucleuses in dynamic state during the commission of vibration movements, to some extent similar to electromagnetic waves. Thank you for your attention.